Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, and I'm here today to show you how to make your own project life cards or your scrapbooking cards, whatever you want to call them. Excuse me. They are super easy to make, you know, if you're journaling, you're scrapbooking, planners. You know, these are great to tuck into pockets and super easy. Now, I have a lot of project life cards and I love them, but I do tend to buy them when they're on sale because, you know, they're quite a lot. I think you can pay anything from about £10 for 100, maybe more on some of them. But I'm going to show you today how you can make 96 excuse me, 96 project life cards for £3. Now, I'm not going to sit here and make the 96. Excuse me, I do have a really bad cough and cold. That's why I wasn't around yesterday. But yeah, sorry, I'm not going to be showing you how to make the whole 96 because that would take me forever. But let me show you how to make them, give you some tips on decorating them, and there's also a bonus bookmarks that come out of this project as well, so I'll be showing you those. So basically, you need a paper pad. Now, this paper pad was from a shop we have in the UK called The Range. It cost me £3, £2.99 actually, and you get 24 sheets and they're double-sided. Now, this is quite lovely thick cardstock as well. So all I did to make the 96, now 96 of them is only half of this paper pad. Okay, so this is only using 12 sheets of this card, so you make the 96. If you use the whole pad, you would have 184. Is that right? Oh my gosh, my brains won't work. Oh my god, 96, 80, 192. What am I on about? You would have, oh my gosh, see, I'm really not with it. If you use the whole paper pad, you would actually have 192. I only used half of the pad, so that cost me £1.50 to make 96 of these cards. And all I did, I took the sheets, and I'm going to choose one sheet to show you, and you would just repeat with them all. So we're going to take a sheet out, and with this way that I do it, one sheet wonder way, you have no waste at all. So we have a 12 by 12 sheet of cardstock, and like I said, this is really thick. Look at these cute putty cats. Look at that one there, he's so cute. So this is what I did. Let me just move those out of the way. Now, first of all, your first cut, I'll move that down there, is going to be 3 inches. Your first cut is 3. Then you're going to cut 3 again. And then we're going to cut at 4 inches. And you're left with a 2-inch strip. Now, the 2-inch strip you put in long ways, and we're going to cut at 6 inches. Those are the 2 bookmarks that you get out of each page. And then the one that you've cut at 4, we're going to cut this at 6 inches. And you will have 2 of those. And then these, which are cut at 3, you will cut out 4 inches on both of them. So we're going to do 4 and 4, and that's on the long ways. So that will give you 3, and they are 3 by 4. And the 2 larger ones are 2 4 by 6s. So we're going to cut this at 4. And then 4. So each 12 by 12 sheet, you will get 6 Put that to one side. You will get 6 3x4s, and you'll get 2 6x4s, and you will have 2 which are 2x6. Okay, now what you need to do, put those to one side, is we're going to round all the corners. This is so fast to do. You will be getting all your, and you can obviously use your scrap pieces of card that you have. Oops, I won't do it for some reason. I think it needs emptying. It just quickly empties out. You'll be going through all your scraps and making as many Project Life cards as you can. And decorating them is so much fun. In fact, this bit is the bit that takes the longest. Nearly done. And that's that done. So there's your cards. Now it's entirely up to you. You could leave them like that just to decorate, you know, just to pop in a pocket, just as a picture. Now I've been quite clever with some of these. Some of this DSP, you'll see you can actually write on. So I've just put a sticker on, and it's actually got like sort of faint lines on it anyway. Others I've put on, you know, a little saying or something, and then I've put on some note paper, but I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But some of the paper you can actually write on because it's blank, so you don't need to put anything on. Look at this one, how beautiful is that? And you can just write on that as it is, so you don't even need to put anything on there. But like with these are patterned here, so if you wanted to write something, you know, you're going to have to draw over the pattern. So I have this old recipe card that was for another planner which I don't use, so I thought, hang on a minute, I can reuse this paper. So all I basically did was cut you know, you can use any note paper that you've got laying around, so I don't throw anything away. And all I did was just cut it down to a size. It doesn't really matter as long as it fits on your card. I round the corners off, and then you've got a little bit to stick on there that you can write on. So let's grab my Tombow. I mean, you know, if you've got an old notebook lying around that you've got scrap bits of paper in, you know, with lines on, and then you just stick it on your card, and then look, that's good to go. I have done another one and I put a sticker on here. Now let's have a look. I have one of my sticker books here, so let's see if I can find a sticker to put on here. Let's have a look. See what's in the back here, if there's anything we could use. Let's have a look. Oh, I trying to find something now. I've probably picked up the wrong sticker book for it. See, I quite like this. You see this one here? Check this out. Let's see. Now, I'm probably going to have to cut this down. So, I'm just going to take this sticker here. And, oh, look, it doesn't, does it fit? Oh, we might get lucky. So, what I'm going to do, oh, look, we can just, yay. So, I'm just going to cut that down. Like that. And like that. There, look. Then you've got like a little saying on it. Check this out. I like that. That's so cool. So it's super, super fast and quick and easy to actually, you could stamp something on there. You know, you could stamp something. You could put a bit of washi tape. Let's have a look. So, okay, we might not want to, oh, that's right in the middle, isn't it? Is there another one where it's at the bottom? Let's have a look. Oh, come on. Ah, right, see that one? That's got like a blank space at the bottom. Let's have a look. Now, this is just some washi tape that I had here. So, if you didn't want to put a sentiment, you could just make it more colourful by adding. You can get quite creative with these, actually. I've had a lot of fun doing them. Like that. And then we could even put another bit there if we wanted to pick it up a bit more. It's gone a bit squiff. There you go. And look, that's made that really quite chirpy and colourful there. And then what you could do is just, rather than waste it, have a look. I've cut into that, haven't I? We'll cut down to this line here. Get my corner rounder. Oops, I didn't do that one. Very good. And then, whoops, we're just going to make sure we're putting it down the right way. Adhere that to this. Like that. There you go. And there's two decorated just like that. See how cool is that? And then, like I said, out of that 1 by 1, 12 by 12 sheet, so your one sheet wonder, which is where we try not to waste anything, that's your project life cards, and you can decorate them however you want. Like I said, you can use washi tape, stamps, stickers, but you also have enough to make 2 bookmarks. So I have my tag topper punch here, and I'm just going to, oops, if it'll go, slot that. Oh, that must be slightly over 2. Oh, you know what I've done? Just help if you open it, shall I? Right. I'm going to slot that in there. And I think you'll find that that's slightly over 2 inches. So I'm going to have to trim that down. Just going to eyeball it. Like that. And do the same with this one. So out of your one sheet of 12 by 12. You get all of those Project Life cards, and you get a couple of bookmarks as well. Now, where's my ribbon? I have some ribbon here, and it really doesn't take much. To pop that in there, grab it, and there you have one bookmark. Let me just do the same again. Like that. And you can do the same again. I mean, you could, you know, stamp a sentiment on these, or you could put a bit of washi tape so that, you know, you've got some matching, you know, well, however you want to decorate those up, and that's exactly how you do it. So I hope that this video has been helpful, so that you can make your own Project Life cards. Oops, journaling cards. Oh, look, we didn't do the corner on that one. We missed a corner. But just how cute are these cards? And I've been busy making them, putting backs. That one's got a larger sheet of note card on. Then we've got stickers on this one. You can even draw your own lines on them. I like that better though, I must admit. And then you've got, I've put stickers on some of these. That's a sticker on the front of that. That was just, it was basically like that card, but I found a sticker from my Happy Planner and put that on. And then that. So they are super, super easy to make. There's another one of my little pussycats with a little thing on it. And that one's got note card on. Some of them, like I said, have got lines on that you could write, so you don't really need to do anything to them. You might want to leave them. Look how beautiful this card is. Stunning. That's already got lines on. See, look. I didn't have to do anything with that. That's a ready to go Project Life card. Just gorgeous. You'll be addicted to making them, trust me. I'm going to be doing my giveaway, daily giveaway video next, and it is a double giveaway because I wasn't around yesterday, so we have 2 prizes to give away. All right, I shall see you all in a few minutes. Take care. Bye bye.